Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you how to adjust plastic glasses at home. This will be an easy tutorial for bending your glasses frames. Let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, I have some plastic glasses, okay? And I also have a blow dryer. And these are things that you probably already have around your house if you want to adjust your glasses. So this will be super easy to follow along with. What you want to do is apply some heat to the area of the glasses frame that you want to manipulate. So if I wanted to bend this arm, I would apply the heat right over here, okay? If I wanted to bend the frames this way or inwards, I would apply the heat right here to the nose. Now, basically, I should say the bridge of the glasses, not exactly the nose, but the bridge, which is where they go on your nose. Now, with that being said, all of your movements have to be very, very slight and gradual. You don't want to aggressively try and bend them. It has to just be a little press, just a little pressure, okay? If you push them too much, you will break your glasses. This is your warning. If you push them too hard, they will break. They're just plastic. It's just a type of plastic. So let's get that out of the way right away. You need to go easy with your glasses. So what you want to do is apply some heat to the area, and I recommend that you apply heat for about 2 to 3 minutes before you even try manipulating them. I've already heated up this area for 2 to 3 minutes. So I'm just going to apply, I actually heated up for about 3 minutes fully before this. I'm just going to apply a little bit more heat just to get it back warm again. So I'm going to try and bend the front of the glasses. So I'm going to apply heat right here to the bridge of the glasses, okay? So I'm going to apply heat with just a regular blow dryer. Sorry about that. The piece of the blow dryer actually came off, so I'm just going to go put that back on. Just like that, okay? Anyway, so let's go and apply some heat, full force with the blow dryer. So right now, I'm just reheating them. Remember, I already applied heat for 3 minutes to the glasses, okay? On all the areas that I will be working on. So right now, I'm just actually reheating them just to get it warm again, okay? You go ahead and see if it's warm. I think we're good to go at this point. So I'm gonna turn the blow dryer off. Now, I don't know how much of that you heard. Hopefully you heard it all, but basically I said I already applied 3 minutes worth of heat. I'm just heating it up again. Now that it's warm, I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna bend it in the direction that I wanna bend it, and I'm gonna hold it there. Now, you notice I'm not bending it a ton. Look at how much I'm bending it. That's it. And I'm holding it there, holding it there. And what's gonna happen is, when I release it after holding it here for about, 15, 20 seconds, the glasses are gonna settle in a sweet spot between where they started and where I'm bending them now. So when I release them, they're gonna go back a bit, but they're settled basically between where they started and where I was bending them to. So I was bending them like this. When I release them after I've held them there and they cool down, they're gonna settle in a medium spot, somewhere between where they started and where I was bending them, because I'm bending them down, but when I release them, they go back a little bit, okay? Just to be clear. Now, if I wanted to bend the arm instead, I would apply heat there. Once again, this is still pretty warm because I already heated it up for basically 3.5 minutes before this, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply some heat there, just to warm it up again. And this is just a regular blow dryer. It's nothing special, not any high-end blow dryer. It's just a regular blow dryer, okay? And I'm applying heat, as you can see, pretty closely to the frame, okay? I'm gonna pull back and, yeah, we're just a little bit more. So you can tell when it's hot enough, okay? So once you've done this a few times, you'll know when it's warm enough to be manipulated. Let's say I wanted to bend this in a little bit. I would take my finger, apply pressure here, and I bend it in a bit, and I'm just holding it there. And I'm holding it here for 15 to 20 seconds. When I release it, it's gonna settle somewhere between where it started and where I'm bending it now. Because you'll see when I release it, okay, I'm gonna release it now, it's gonna go back, but it's gonna settle a little bit further in. So I'm bending it that much, but it's only being permanently bent just a little bit. That's how it works. It's plastic. We're not bending it and reshaping it. We're just manipulating the angle ever so slightly, okay? And once it's been, a minute that there hasn't been any heat, you want to just apply more heat again. So if I wanted to continue bending this, I would apply heat again. I would apply, maybe another 30 seconds worth of heat, and then I could continue bending it, okay? Just to be clear, you want to make sure it's always at least warm whenever you're bending it. That's it. That is literally how to bend plastic glasses at home. a super easy way using something that you probably already have anyways. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.